Hey, it's Rick here, and just got back from a trip to the happiest place on earth with my family, that being Disneyland. And we stayed at the Hyatt House at the Anaheim Resort and Convention Center, and that's what this video is about today. I'm going to show you footage from the hotel in just a moment, give you a room tour, and talk about a few other things. Because if you're planning a trip to Disneyland in Anaheim, California, there's a lot of hotels in the area. I've stayed at many of them, including Disney properties. And the Hyatt House is one that I fully recommend. My family will definitely go back there. It's that good for the value and everything that you get. But first, wow, there is nothing better than checking out fireworks in Batuu at Galaxy's Edge with the Millennium Falcon right in front of you. It is absolutely stunning and breathtaking. But enough about that. Here's the Hyatt House. It's located at 1800 South Harbor Boulevard. There is a Walgreens at the bottom of it, so you can pick anything up at normal prices if you needed to. It's within walking distance to the park, about 8 to 12 minutes, depending on your pace. If you take a lift, it's going to run you roughly about $7 to $12. There is a Starbucks at the bottom of the hotel, which is an absolute must on those Disney days. You're going to pay normal Starbucks prices, not inflated Disney park prices. There is also a Blaze Pizza, which is a build-your-own pizza place that stays open late till midnight and 1, $7.95 and up for pizzas. And then there is also I believe it's a Chinese restaurant that's coming soon. But let's go ahead and take a look at the hotel itself. There's a lot of different room types in this hotel. It is 5 stories. We stayed on the 5th floor, which is a 1-bedroom, double queen, kitchen suite with a view, and here it is. So as you walk into the room, you're going to notice that on the right hand side we've got a sectional sofa. This will open up into a bed, and that's really nice, especially for me because I have a family. I have 3 children, and it was really nice for them to be able to sleep on the bed here. We could rotate them, have some of them go into the bedroom, have some of them sleep out here. There is a TV in this room. By the way, it is direct TV, so you get a full spectrum of channels. You're not limited on that regard. There is a kind of a kitchen area there that you can sit and eat. Fully stocked kitchen with plates, bowls, a sink, dishwasher, coffee maker, toaster, a microwave, a stovetop. You've got a full-size fridge, not a mini fridge like most hotels. This is a full-size fridge. Make no mistake about it. This is like apartment-style living here. And then there is the view of the park. Again, on the 5th floor, you're going to see all of California Adventure as well as Disneyland. You can see the Matterhorn and Space Mountain. This is great for fireworks at night. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what that looks like. But let's go ahead and spin it around here. You've got a mirror, you've got some hooks for jackets, your thermostat on the wall, and then a door that opens up into the bedroom. And that door does lock if you need privacy. But as you come in to the bedroom, we've got 2 queen-size beds. You've got a closet. There's another TV here that works independently of the other one. And then in both rooms, the shades can be drawn, 2 different shades. One is a blackout. The other one kind of gives that just more of a shady, but you can still see through it. And then here is the bathroom, and it's very spacious on the inside, I gotta say. Everything you would expect in a bathroom. It's got a tub, it's got a shower, very clean, nothing felt old, and that was very much appreciated. So that's really the thing about this room, is it's big. And it's very affordable. I mean, when you look at prices, a room like this, depending on when you go and when you look and where you're looking, you can get it for as little as $179 a night, believe it or not, depending on when you go and when you look. So a couple more things about the room as we just kind of look around it. We open up the drawers, and like I said, with apartment style living, you've got all your silverware here. And the interesting thing is pots and pans too. When we would leave the room and come back in after housekeeping did our room, they even did our dishes for us in the dishwasher. So we came home to everything that was clean, or came back to the room to everything that was clean. And again, there are your plates and toaster and everything else. There's also a safe within the room. So if you needed to utilize that, you can. Now, the free breakfast that you get in this hotel is phenomenal. It's probably the best free breakfast that I've had in the area. It is a buffet style. They keep it updated on a regular basis. Ran 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. You get eggs, sausage, bacon, toast, French toast, fresh fruit, full-size bananas, apples, oranges, grapefruits, yogurt, 6 different types of cereal, coffee, milk, chocolate milk, orange juice, apple juice, cranberry juice. I don't even remember what else. It was all kinds of food, and it was outstanding and free. There's the pool. There's also a hot tub. I think that was on the 2nd or 3rd floor. And then let's go ahead and take a look outside again, because this is what your view is going to look like in a view of the park room. To the far right, as we pan over in a few moments, you're going to see kind of a blackish looking building. That's the Anaheim Garden Walk. So if you wanted to walk there, it's probably about an 8-minute walk. There's a Cheesecake Factory, a P.F. Chang's, a Johnny Rockets in there. There's a couple other places, I think a House of Blues maybe, if I recall correctly. But here is the view of the fireworks at night from our hotel room. And you can hear the fireworks. Obviously not the Disney music, but the fireworks, and our kids and ourselves, me and my wife, loved the view. It was phenomenal. So this is the Hyatt House in Anaheim. I definitely recommend it. Again, a little bit of a walk, but you could always lift it or Uber it over to the park if you needed to. Check out the description of the video down below, because I will link to an actual real-time walk to the park. You can check it out. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or feedback, be sure to leave them down below as well. Hit that subscribe button for even more content, and I'll catch you guys next time. Take care.